Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn the first chapter of math in class 7, that is geometrical constructions. Okay, our objective for today is we will be able to construct a perpendicular bisector of a line. For this lesson, you will need a scale, a compass, a protractor, pencil, and notebook. You can pause the video here and write down the objective. Before we start the lesson, we have to understand the purpose. Why do we study geometry, right? Now, before we understand that, what is geometry? Geometry kya hota hai? Geometry is the study of shapes. There are so many different kinds of shapes around us, right? There are circles, triangles, rectangles, squares. बहुत सारी ऐसे shapes होते हैं हमारे आसपास. उसकी पढ़ाई को, the study of all these shapes is called geometry. Now think for a minute कि where do you see geometrical shapes around you and why do you think they are important? आपके आसपास आपको geometrical shapes कहाँ दिखते हैं and आपको क्यों लगता है कि वो important है? अगर आप सोचोगे तो you will if you think a little you will understand that geometrical shapes are all around us. Building, window, car, a box, a biscuit, a rocket, a clock, anything and everything you see around you, there is some sort of geometrical shape that is involved in that, right? It is these geometry is important because without geometry you will not be able to build all these things. Okay, you will not be able to build a house, you will not be able to build a car, you will not be able to build a table. So it is important for all these purposes. Now the next part is an activity. In this activity, I want you to look around, look in your surrounding and find a right angle, a triangle, a circle, a rectangle. Identify all of these and you can take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay. You will find it very easy. Wherever you see, you will find a geometrical object. Now, a quick revision. In class 6, we studied something called a bisector. What is a bisector? एक bisector क्या होता है? A bisector is something that cuts an object into two equal parts. Bisector वो होता है जो कोई भी चीज को दो equal part में काटता है, ठीक है? And what is an angle bisector? An angle bisector is a line that cuts an angle into two equal parts. Okay. Now we've studied this in our last class. So here, if I draw an angle, this is an angle. Now, if I draw a line here that divides this angle into two equal parts, अगर ये दो equal parts में divide हो गया, तो this I will call, इस line को, इस बीच वाले line को I will call an angle bisector. Okay. So now I'll show you how to draw an angle bisector in your in your notebook by using a compass.
To draw an angle bisector, first you must draw the angle. So here we are talking about angle with measure 60 degree. So we will draw a line first. Then we'll use our protractor to draw 60 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. We will join this point to this one and we have our 60 degree. We will check once if this is 60 degree. Yes, it is. So now we want to bisect this angle. In order to bisect it, we will first take our compass and make a small arc. Okay. After we've made this arc, we take our compass, put it on one arm, make another arc here. We do not change this part. We'll take it on the second arm and intersect the arc. Now there is an X. From here, this point to here, we will draw a line. Now we will check whether we have been able to bisect our angle. See, we have divided into 30 and 30. So our angle has been bisected. This is how you draw an angle bisector.
I hope in that part you understood how to draw an angle bisector. So in your copy, you will bisect the following angles: 70 degrees, 50 degrees, and 120 degrees. Draw these angles and bisect them. Okay. Now we will move on to the next part, that is the perpendicular bisector. So first of all, we have to understand कि perpendicular क्या होता है. Now perpendicular means, so we will draw one line here and another line on top of this. Now if this line makes 90 degree, if you measure this line and you get 90 degree, then it is called a perpendicular. You will call it a perpendicular. Okay. Perpendicular. Now, instead, if you now have a line which looks like this and another line that intersects it here, but it forms an angle which is not 90 degree, then this is not a perpendicular. Only this is a perpendicular. Okay. Always remember, perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay. So now you know what a perpendicular is, right? So we are going to learn what is a perpendicular bisector. A perpendicular bisector is a line that bisects another at 90 degrees. It is a line. It is this line that bisects. It's not only 90 degrees. वो सिर्फ 90 डिग्री का नहीं है, पर वो जो एक लाइन है, अगर आपके पास 10 सेंटीमीटर का लाइन है तो वो उसको आधा करता है. It is at 90 degree और उसको वो आधे में बांट भी देता है. There are two properties. It is perpendicular. Perpendicular means directly 90 degrees. Always remember कि कभी भी perpendicular word आया तो उसका मतलब है कि 90 डिग्री में है, और कभी भी bisector word आया तो उसका मतलब है कि आप किसी चीज को आधे में डिवाइड कर रहे हो. तो अगर परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है तो उसका मतलब है कि आप एक लाइन को आधे में डिवाइड कर रहे हो और जिस लाइन से आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो वो 90 डिग्री में होना चाहिए. ठीक है, जैसे आप इस ड्राइंग में देख सकते हो, ये लाइन ऊपर से नीचे आया है, दिस इज एट 90 डिग्री और इसने ए बी को आधे में डिवाइड कर दिया. हम अब सीखेंगे कि हाउ टू डू दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कंपास इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ओके.
To draw a perpendicular bisector, first you need to draw the line segment. Here the line segment is 8 centimeter. So we will draw an 8 centimeter line from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, this is our 8 centimeter line AB. Now to draw a perpendicular, you will take your compass, you will put it on this point, and this width should be more than half of this length. Make an arc on top of the line and below the line. Then, without changing this compass, put it on the other side. Make an arc on top of the line and below the line. If this is a little light, you can make this again. Now there are two axes, these 2 points of intersection. We call this point of intersection. From here to here you draw a line. Now this line should be 90 degree. So we will check. Yes, it is 90 degree. So this is a perpendicular and it should have divided 8 centimeter into half. So the half of 8 centimeter is 4 centimeter. So we will check here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, this line has divided this line into 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter and it is 90 degrees. So this is a perpendicular bisector.
So I hope you understand कि आपको perpendicular bisector कैसे बनाना है और how you have to draw perpendicular bisector. After you're done with that, please do these following sums. Number 1, 2 and 3. ये 10 सेंटीमीटर, 12 सेंटीमीटर और 8 सेंटीमीटर के लाइन बनाइए. आप you draw these lines and bisect them with the help of a compass. Okay, and measure it in the end. All the best. That is all for today. I hope you understood everything. If not, please reach out to me. Okay. Thank you.